Hello, all of you. We are Team Igris. Our project travel is contained in the principles of design thinking, a powerful structure that helped us to understand the needs of the user deeply and translate them into meaningful solutions. Through a structured process in appropriate, defined, ideate, prototype, and testing, we developed a mobile application that enhances the Sudoku experience for all skill levels, from early users research to interactive prototyping and testing. Each stage was designed to keep the user in the center. Let us go to you how we applied the design thinking to solve a real world challenge in a fun, attractive, and effective way.
In this slide, we are going to discuss 5 phases of design thinking. First, empathize. In this stage, we put ourselves in the user environment to understand their needs, behavior, pain points, and aspirations. This involves tools like user interviews, shadowing surveys, and ethnographic research. Second phase is define. Here we synthesize the gathered data to identify patterns. Using the patterns, we frame a clear and actionable problem state. Third, ideate. This is a creative phase where we generate ideas to solve the problem state. Brainstorming, mind mapping, and scamper technique are used commonly for this phase. Fourth, prototype. The most promising ideas are transformed into real prototypes on a small scale. The goal is to make abstract ideas concrete and testable quickly and cheaply. Fifth and last, test. The prototype is then presented to real or potential users and the interaction is observed to identify any usability issue. This feedback is then used to refine or even re- reframe the problem and iterate again if needed.
Uh, the second slide contains the significance in addressing modern day problems. Design thinking is especially powerful for solving complex and uncertain challenges in modern contexts, such as healthcare, education, sustainability, and digital innovation. The first point is promote innovation. By encouraging out of the box thinking, it leads to novel and effective solutions that go beyond conventional methods. The second point is cross functional collaboration. It brings together people from different backgrounds, designs, tech, business, and end users, resulting in diverse perspectives and more holistic solutions. The third point is iterative and agile. Its cyclical nature helps in continually improving the product or solution through regular user input and feedback. The fourth point is user-centric and practical. It ensures that final outcomes are not just technically sound but are also useful, usable, and desirable from a user's perspective. The fifth point is reduces risk. Testing and feedback throughout the process reduce the chances of product failure by validating ideas early.
Sure.
Human centered nature. What sets design thinking apart is its deep human focus. Starts with empathy. It begins with trying to see the world through the eyes of the users, understanding their struggles, hopes, and goals. Inclusive of user feedback. The process is built against continual engagement with users, making them co creators in the design journey. Real needs are over assumptions. Instead of relying solely on technical feasibility or business goals, it emphasizes what people actually need, not just what we think they need. Improves experience and satisfaction. The ultimate aim is to create solutions that delight users, solve real problems, and fit seamlessly into their lives.
In our project, we actively embedded each phase of design thinking into our development process, uh, eh, including the following aspects: empathize, conducted surveys, interviews, focus groups to understand user frustration and needs, Define. Created a key problem statement. How might we help our users enjoy Sudoku by making it easier to play, learn, and improve at all levels? Ideate. Brainstormed and evaluated based on feasibility, impact, and innovation. Prototype. Built interactive wireframes using Balsamic covering UI, user flows, and core features. Test. Gathered feedback via usability tests to refine navigation, design, and user experience.